This video will describe how to use the 6-day schedule. You want to go to the class settings, which is the icon at the top there with it looks like a clock. Select the class. And then on the top right, there's a settings option here. If you tap the settings icon, you'll get the schedule option. So there's the 1-week schedule, there's a 2-week schedule which alternates, and then the 6-day schedule. And in this case, the classes are spread over 6 days, and if you have a holiday or something, then rather than missing a day, the days will continue afterwards. And I know a bunch of schools are starting to use this type of schedule. So once you do that, now for each of your classes, you'll be able to tap on the schedule, and you'll see you'll have up to 6 days to assign the classes, and you can set up class times as well for all those over there. I have some default ones set up here. When you come back to your main view here, you'll see now at the top, for all the dates, there's now a day number below it. So there you see Monday's day 4, Tuesday's day 5. You're going to want to set that up somehow. So let's just say that we really want Monday the 9th to start as day 1. So what you need to do is long press Monday the 9th, and you'll see the option to select a day there. So I'm going to have that start as day 1. And now you can see it's readjusted that Monday through Friday is day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I go to the next week, you'll see that the next Monday is day 6, and then back to day 1, day 2, day 3. All right. So that's how you can set it up. If for some reason you need to reset the days later, you can at any time long press any day header and reset the day of that date, and then it'll calculate the new ones going forward. Also, if you insert a holiday, so let's say Wednesday the 11th, which is day 3 right now, let's say I'm going to add a holiday. So I can come to new holiday. I'll add it for Wednesday the 11th, and I'll just call it holiday. And now if I go back to the main screen, Wednesday used to be day 3, so now we've added the holiday, and you can see it's adjusted for Thursday for day 3. You may have your lessons that are already assigned to classes, which you may have to adjust, and if you need to adjust lessons, you can easily go ahead and tap on the month view for a class, and go ahead and you can move old notes forward to 1 day or back a day. So check and see if you add holidays, you may need to adjust some things. The best way is to really add all your holidays first and then start to plan your lessons. But you can adjust it. And it's pretty much as easy as that. If you have any questions, please let me know. Enjoy.